How to buy Robux on Roblox. If you want to buy Robux on Roblox game, it's very simple to do so. You can use the Roblox application, or you can also open your browser and just go to roblox.com and make sure that you are correctly logged into the account where you want to buy Robux points. After you log into your account, from the top of the menu, simply look for the option that says Robux and then make sure to click on it. Once you're here, you will see a couple of offers right here. So you have also be able to see the price on the left hand side and the amount of Robux that you will get with it. Now you can see for mobile and console there is different, for computer and web there is different type of options. Depending upon which you are, Roblox will automatically determine this. Now you simply have to select the amount that you want and then select that. Then on the next page you have to simply secure your payment method. They accept credit card, debit card, PayPal, or even a Roblox gift card and other options. So depending upon what you want, simply select your details, enter your card number and so on. And after that, you will be able to purchase Robux on Roblox. This way you will be able to purchase Robux on Roblox. I hope this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.